Hey penny pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and today I'm coming to you with this beautiful dollar store DIY mirror. If you want to see how I put it all together, then just keep on watching. To start my project, I'm using this very old picture frame that I've had for many years. I'll just flip it over here so you can see. Another reason I chose it is because it already has the wire for easy hanging. But you can use any picture frame of your choice. You could also use foam board to make this project. Now, I've hauled these picture frames before. I got them at the Dollarama. They're beautiful, and they are $3.50 each. Now I'll be lining up my mirrors along the frame with the hanging portion facing out. I will be using 2 mirrors per row. I used for this project a total of 11 mirrors. Now you can also see on the frame that there is a white strip of foam. I've just added it there and glued it down just for a little bit of a balance so that the center of my project does not cave in. Now I will just continue to line my mirrors up, making sure everything is straight and in its right position before I start the gluing process. Now that the mirrors are all lined up, I will be removing them one by one to add my glue to the very base. Now for this project, I'm using Gorilla Glue, but feel free to use E6000 or any adhesive that will give you a long-lasting hold. But all the mirrors have been secured. I've added weights to help me with the drying process and to make sure everything stays in place. Now after 4 hours of drying time, I've returned and everything is nice and tight. I'm just giving it a quick clean down, dusting it off to make sure everything is clean, and then we'll move on to our last step. For this final step, I will be adding 3 more mirrors at an angle. I wanted to add an extra layer to give it a little bit more dimension. And here you can see me just positioning the mirror, making sure that it's where I need it to be before gluing it down. Always position before gluing so that you don't make any errors. I'm going to glue it down, allow it to dry, and when we come back, honey, it will be time to style. And here we are, penny pinchers. We are done and it is beautiful. I could not have been more pleased with the way it turned out. Look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. Leave me a comment in the comments section. Let me know what you think about this beautiful DIY. Now it's on one of the walls in my office, just right above this little accent table that I have. And I've just added a little bit of a vignette to kind of go with it. But wow. I really love the way this turned out. Absolutely beautiful. And that is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time seeing my channel, welcome. I would love for you to join the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't forget that notification bell, guys. That way you're the first to know when I upload a video. And for all my lovely penny pinchers, thank you so much. This is your glamorous penny pincher Shalomi, and until the next video, love you. Bye bye.